Welcome friends. In this video I'm going to talk about the distributive property. First we'll begin with a few numerical examples, and then I will show you how to use this property on polynomials. The distributive property looks like this, where A, B, and C are any real numbers. And what we're saying here numerically is that A, this factor, is distributed over the sum to both B and C. So let's use a few numbers to show how this works out. We'll compute this side, and then using the same numbers, we'll compute this side. And what I'm going to do for this side is I'm going to write 5 times 3 plus 2. Okay? You see how that looks like the left side of our equation? Order of operations says to begin with the parentheses, so we'll start there. This 5 doesn't change. And inside the parentheses we have 3 plus 2. Which is 5. And 5 times 5 is 25. Now, using the same numbers, we're going to use this side of the equation. And if equality is meant to hold, we should get the same result. So I'm going to write here, I'm going to write 5 times 3 plus 5 times 2. Do you see how those two are the same? Five times 3 is 15. Plus 5 times 2, which is 10. And 15 plus 10 is 25. Which is the answer that we were looking for. You can choose any 3 numbers, any 3 real numbers, and this property will hold. Next, we will consider expanding the polynomial x plus 2, x plus 5. And I'm going to treat this the same way. I'm going to let this A represent the entire sum here in this factor x plus 2. And I'm going to show that get distributed over this sum to the x and to the 5. And so what we will get is x times x plus 2 plus 5 times x plus 2. Next, we will use the distributive property again, here and here, and we'll get x squared plus 2x plus 5x plus 10. And then we combine like terms based on the exponent. So we'll start with the x squared. 2x and 5x is 7x and plus 10.